Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. With the 19mm socket, remove the control arm. Step 3. If you plan to keep your body mount, remove the perforated plate on your part to fit over the frame. If not, remove your body mount followed by cleaning the frame free of rust and debris. Step 4. Draw a line 3/4 inch above the frame and cut along it to remove the bottom of the frame. Step 5. Spray the frame with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust. Then, tack weld the part on before welding it on fully. Finally, spray the part with primer to help prevent against any further corrosion. Using a 19mm socket, reinstall the control arm. Then you're done!